Do you have an emergency and need assistance quickly?
Hello, Synagri. One moment, please.
We could hire a live band and a host to enliven your waiting time.
Your call is important to us. Please stay on the line to maintain your priority.
But we prefer to rely on efficient and always accessible customer service. Working with Synagri gives access not only to high-performance products and services for crop production, but also access to your representative by email, phone, or in person quickly. Visit our website to access the complete directory. No more voicemail boxes and generic phone numbers. Go for an immediate human solution. For the past 15 years, we have invested in what matters to you in order to improve the profitability of your fields. Synagri, accessible on the spot for 15 years. Grow crops differently.